GRT is about to make a massive parabolic move. Let's dive into that in this video. We're going to check out the charts, see what's going on. We got an update on the Graph's migration path if you guys are not aware. But of course, before we dive into this, if you're new, smack that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. And of course, guys, smash that like. But moving on the tweeters, good morning, homies. When do you believe Bitcoin will have the blow off top? Let me know your thoughts down below. Going over, guys, we currently got the graph at $1.72, up about 16% today. You know, look, $2.1 billion market cap. Guys, we called this coin back when it was down at 10 cents. Just, it's crazy times, crazy time, crazy journey, but it's all amazing though. So let's just continue on, guys. The price action that we've seen for a long time here. We're going to get into price targets, but look, when we use the fib, guys, we see some major support right here around the $1.57, which we did break, but bounced off down here around the $1.30. But bounced off that, definitely looking good. So guys, we've seen these massive parabolic action. You know, this was that massive run, guys. We made a lot of money on when it first listed. That was absolutely insane. Then we came down. Everybody was like, the graph is dead. GRT's done for. Go to the next hot altcoin. But guess what, guys? No, this is the time to buy. There's a lot of you homies out there that stayed level-headed, bought there, and made some massive gains now. Because look, parabolic run right there. But as we see, we topped around $2.92. We've been on a downtrend consolidation ever since. We have some support and resistance all in here. We've been bouncing back and through. Back in here, we were like, oh, we're about to go. If we break through there in like the $2.29 region, then things would look very good. Did not happen. As we all know, though, we bounced off the 618, looking very good, guys. I cannot wait. I want to see us get past. That price right there is $1.90. I want to see us get past right here. We're currently coming up on that, so we will see how that ends up, playing out. So, guys, definitely watch right here around $2.90. We want to break that. But what's even cooler, guys? What's even better right now? Let's pull up the MACD. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this. What do we talk about, guys? What do we talk about on this channel all the time? We're about to have a cross. Look at that. I mean, of course, right here, you're about to have one too. And they said, not happening today, son, because, it just said we're tricking you. But look at this. We've been on a nice, long negative momentum for a while now, guys. Look at all that negative momentum finally cooling back off again. Ever since February 23rd, we had a lot of negative momentum, basically a whole month of that. Nice consolidation. People are sick of the graph. They're getting so tired of it. But the graph is dead, guys. The graph is not dead, okay? If you're following into these altcoins that are pumping today, bad idea. This right here is definitely a solid buy. And I know a lot of you have bought pretty low, down close to the $1.30 region, and that's what's up. Keep in mind, you're not going to buy the exact bottom. So, I mean, it's just not going to happen. The odds are very unlikely. And if you do, congrats. It was all luck right there. But guys, we're about to get that cross. That's very bullish. And when I say, the GRT is about to go parabolic, guys, it's not going to go parabolic today. I'm not saying it's going to go to $5 today, but I'm just saying this right here is a lagging indicator. Keep in mind, price action is king. And look at our price action. We're going up. It's looking very good. So that right there is very important. At the same time, guys, the RSI, we talked about this too. The RSI was the lowest in the history of the graph. It was the lowest ever right there. I'm like, guys, if you ever want to consider buying anything, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a silly dude on the internet. But this right here is the time to buy. You see the RSI down there, the lowest it's ever been in the history of the graph. I mean, if you're not buying, I don't know, you probably were buying up here then, because it just doesn't make sense. We buy low, sell high on this channel. We don't buy high, sell low. But once again, I mean, just looking, first time in history that I forgot to mention that this cross in the MACD is also the first time in the history of having the bull cross, guys, for some positive momentum. I cannot wait to see that. But of course, what are some price targets? What should we expect? Let's go over to the other chart I had there already for the homies out there. Look, so once we finally break through our all-time high, which is around $2.90, it's a little bit higher. Let's adjust that to get a more accurate reading. It's like right in there. Cool. Once we get there, the next spot that I'm expecting for some major resistance is right here at $3.65. Watch for in that region get a little bit, but more importantly though, more importantly, I'm watching that $4 region, guys. That $4 region, that's very psychological as well. It's also the 1.414, so watch out for that. See what's going on there. Once we break through here, guys, like I said, it was $2.90. Once we get through here, breaking through all those barriers, which we saw over here. once we finally get back up there and battle all those resistance, make them as support, you know, go from there. Watch, we could end up playing through here, you know, get some resistance off the 365, come back down, and maybe just revert right up. I think $4 is going to be a heavier resistance than the $3.65, simply because it's not just resistance here on the fib. It's also a very psychological number. For some reason, those even numbers, it just in our minds, you know, like guys, trading, you know, investing, you know, holding, it's all about psychology, and that's just what we see over time. That for some reason, those solid numbers, you know, seem to be some major resistance. But yes, I mean, as we break that, I mean, once we break the 456 region, I mean, we're not going to hit too much major resistance until we hit about 722. So I don't know about you guys, I'm pretty excited to see that once we get through that. But as we see with GRT, we have these massive parabolic runs, guys. I cannot wait to see, you know, pop up, come down. Just get ready. This consolidation is just like this region right here. These are very similar, guys. We're doing the same thing. Of course, guys, if you're new here, smash the subscribe button. If you guys like this kind of content, smash that like button. But look, we're having the same thing right there. We're having the same thing, guys. This may a bottom right there, just like the graph. It smashed the subscribe button right there. It may have bottomed right there, and we're going back. So I'm pretty excited to see that. Are you guys pretty excited? Let's zoom back in to see, you know, a possible $7.22 GRT. Look, all the way up here. 423. I mean, I'm sorry, 1155, 1150 region. Whew, that right there would be absolutely insane. I cannot wait to see what happens, guys. I know some of you got in way below like 20 cents. And congrats to you guys. It's so nice to hear when you guys are making those gains. Of course, what do you guys think of this? You guys think this is possible? I mean, this is just what it's showing, guys. This is just the charts. It's not made up. I definitely like the good old MACD, the cross right there looking good. RSI had the bottom right there, the lowest it's ever been, and we're going back up. Plenty of room to the upside. I just think this is super cool. So as always, let me know down below what you guys think. And just moving on, like a little brief overview of the graphs migration path to mainnet, guys. They're gonna have 3 phases. In the one live stream, we did go over this in a little more detail. I'm not going to bore you guys to death, but just some highlights. The Graph Network has been live for 3 months now with over 100 city indexers and 6,000 delegators. Let's go, guys. It's you know, the graph's being used more and more, guys. This is starting next month. The first production subgraphs will begin migrating from the Graph's hosted service to the decentralized network. Whoa, that right there is definitely a big deal, guys. They have 3 phases. The migration bootstrapping, the production dApps, and curation live. Let's go, let's go. So are you guys excited about that? I know, like, the graph, there's definitely was a lot of hype. I like that the hype cooled down, because that right there, in my opinion, means that it's a good time to get a good old buy. So did you guys buy the graph? You know, did you guys buy when the RSI was all the way down here? Are you seeing this cross coming right here on the MACD? Are you excited for that? As always, guys, patience will win in this market. Patience will win. I hope you guys can stay level-headed out there. Just, you know, look at the facts that you see on the charts. Try not to let your emotions control you, because that's how you're gonna lose money that way, homie. You're going to lose money that way. And as always, buy low, sell high. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think down below. And as always, guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button, smash that like button. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. And until then, may the gains be with you.